Yeah, we know. You have your eye on that new kitchen. At Bravo Carpentry, we understand that your kitchen is the heart of your home. It's where memories are made, meals are shared, and family bonds are strengthened. It's time to turn your dream kitchen into a reality. Imagine stepping into a kitchen that reflects your style, enhances functionality, and simply takes your breath away. Bravo Carpentry is here to make that vision come true. Our team of skilled craftsmen are dedicated to precision, quality, and bringing out the best in every project. From concept to completion, we're with you every step of the way. But it's not just about the cabinets and countertops. It's about creating a space where joy flows as seamlessly as the conversation. Don't miss out on the kitchen of your dreams. Contact Bravo Carpentry today. Call us at 219-384-1566 or visit our website at www.bravo-carpentry.com.